Jetisu, I have a gift for you. One that's very special. I know how much you deserve it. I'm certain you have the strength to grasp it. Find it here, where the lake water is blue and fresh, where the snow is white and crisp. It's high in the mountains where sugary clouds caress rocks that are as old as time. Now prepare and set forth. Ride, glide, fly, leap, row. Don't look back. Never stop for a moment. Be strong. Be brave. Challenge. You know you can. Hold your breath. Dive through. Hear the silence as never before. Now, breathe in deeply. See the world that surrounds you. So beautiful and pure. Look around. Explore. Feel the joy. See a myriad stars in the sky. It's all yours. Embrace it. Jetisu, Almaty region. True nomad paradise.